Okay, so let's get straight to it. Now it's about Groove Mail. As you can see right here, you can click it right here and get to that, or you can go up here like the other ones and then click on Groove Mail. And now we got some different things here on the screen. For example, here you have an overview about your open rates and your click-through rates and so on. So when you start to get some data about your email subscribers, then you can see how many people are opening your emails and how many people are clicking the links in your emails and so on. But let's get started here. We'll create a list right here. And then if you, for example, have a free ebook about email marketing, then you can give that to people and then they will sign up to this list. So you got their email and now you can nurture the leads, and eventually you can also sell to those email leads. So we'll call this email marketing just for as an example, and then click list. So now we got the list right here. So let's make a tag up here. And a new tag, we'll call this email marketing as well. Marketing. We'll just say test email marketing. And then right here, we'll create a new category. Let's see here. We'll say email marketing as well here. And then click here. Sorry, it's always... Oh, sorry about that. Then let's just call it for email here. So now we can choose from email here and create a tag. So now we got the tag. So we will now select the category, and that is a new category, and we'll call this as well email marketing. Save. So now we both got the list and the tags and the categories. We don't need this segment right here. It's not important. So let's get straight to the Groove Mail again. And now we got the list and tags and so on. Now we also need to make a sequence. So a sequence is, when they sign up to, for example, a free ebook, then they will get into this sequence. And then, for example, if you have made a sequence of 5 or 10 emails, then those 10 emails that are in that sequence, they will start to be sent out to that email subscriber. So let's click here on the new sequence, and we'll call this email marketing again. I love this email marketing. And the description just email test email marketing, yes, and create sequence. So right now, this is, I don't want to go too much in details about this, but now, we have to add a trigger, and we can select a category, and we'll say email. That is the category that, the tag that we just made, and we can say email marketing again. So, and then we can go to list here and select the list, and we'll say email marketing. The forms is not important right now. So let's see here, select the tag, done. So now we have those, this is when a tag is made and also a list is made. That is the trigger, so that when this is triggered, then we can send out an email, or we can send out an SMS, and we can do all of these things right here down. And then we can also subscribe that lead to another list if we want to. But let's just say that we want to make this email, send an email, and then the name of this could be just email marketing again, marketing. And the sender, right now we don't have a sender, but you need to create an email sender, and we can do this right here, and but we don't make this right now, so we'll just we can create a subject that could be email, and select this. And this is the first name. So this is actually what you want to write right now. So now we can say, instead of that, we say hi eller hey, first name. So this is a placeholder for so that when they get the email, they will you will mention their name. So it could be hey Joe something. So every time you send out 1,000 emails or so, then the first name will be appearing in the email, because we have set this first name here. And then we can preview. This is the first line or two that you can see before you open the email. And status, we'll have to make this active. And right now when I click done, then I don't believe that I can do it, because we haven't added this select the sender and with the preview and stuff. But you'll just have to do that and then click done. Maybe I could. Yeah, okay, I could do that. And then if it's a professional email editor or basic email editor, that's totally up to you what you want. Let's just choose this one here. So then now it's a plain text mode that you're in, and then you can send an email. You can, for example, send a test email to your own email, your personal email, to test if everything is as it should be. Then we can click done, and you can't do that because you have to. We'll just enter something here, and then done. Yeah, that was. Please select the sender to proceed. But now you know what to do. So I'll just click cancel right here, and you can make it as long as you want to this email sequence. But you'll get the hang of it when you start to use it. I just want to explain how to do it, and then we'll click save here. Let's see here in a second when it has loaded. Come on. Yeah, okay. So now we got this sequence right here, and it's active, as you can see. And then you can add professional email templates and your own templates, but I don't want to do that right now. I'll just go back to the main menu. So now we got the lists and we got the sequences, and now we can also make an automation. And an automation basically is, when something happens, when a person signs up for something, then this automation begins, kind of like the sequence, but not the same, and then we also have the forms. You can make forms if you want to, a sign up form or anything you want to. And then besides the sequence and the automation, you can make a broadcast. So a broadcast is something that is something that is only sent out by you manually. The other things here, that this is automatically, and this is also automatically, but this one, let's say that next month you want to talk about some important subject to your email subscribers, and then in the end in the end of this broadcast you also want to you want to sell them something, so you can do that, and then the broadcast is only happening once. It's not something that is made automatically month after month after month. It's only one time, So this is actually about what you can do with this. So I hope you see the power of the Groove Mail, and yeah. So the next time I want to talk about maybe Groove Member or Groove Video. I don't know if I will. Maybe I'll skip this Groove Member, but yeah. Now we got to know about this Groove Mail right here. So yeah, I'll see you in the next lecture.